In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Notion desktop app not loading, step-by-step guide. If Notion won't open or gets stuck on a blank screen, follow along from start to finish. We'll begin with quick fixes, then move to deeper troubleshooting. After each action, try reopening Notion to see if it loads. Start by force quitting the app. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and S key to open Task Manager, find Notion in the list, and choose End Task. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and Escape to open Force Quit Applications, select Notion, and choose Force Quit. Reopen Notion once it fully closes. Next, confirm your internet connection is solid. Open your browser and load any website. If pages feel slow or won't load, restart your Wi-Fi router or temporarily switch to a mobile hotspot. A stable connection is essential for Notion to sync and start properly. If the app still won't load, restart your computer. Save any open work, reboot your PC or Mac, and then launch Notion again. A fresh start clears temporary glitches. Now, clear the Notion cache, which fixes most loading issues. On Windows, close Notion completely. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run box, type %localap data and press Enter. Open the Notion folder, then delete the cache and GPU cache folders. On Mac, close Notion, open Finder, click Go, then go to Folder and paste this path. Library, application, support, /Notion. Delete the cache and GPU cache folders. Don't worry, these files rebuild automatically. Restart Notion afterward. If it still hangs, log out and back in. In Notion, open Settings and Members, scroll down and choose Log Out. Then sign in again. This refreshes your account session and syncs your workspace. Make sure you're on the latest version. Go to notion.so/desktop, download the newest installer, and run it. Updating replaces outdated components without affecting your cloud data. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Notion can fail to load in restricted regions or with strict network routing. Once disabled, open Notion again. Also check the Notion server status at status.notion.so. If there's an outage, the best fix is to wait until the page shows green and online. Finally, if nothing has worked, uninstall the Notion desktop app, restart your device, and then reinstall a fresh copy from Notion. So, a clean install removes corrupted files and usually resolves persistent loading problems. Follow these steps in order, and you'll have the best chance of getting Notion running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and good luck.